thing I love the most about YouTube is that it has allowed me to meet some wonderful people from all over the world. I recently met this lady. Her name is Kathy. She has a channel called Totally Kathy, and she lives in Nebraska, and I live over in Ontario. Now, we recently become friends, and we chat every once in a while. She has an interesting channel on YouTube called Totally Kathy. She is a certified life coach, a weight loss guru and motivator, and she's lost 178 pounds since 2015. She has a fantastic personality. She is a sweetheart, and we decided to do a video collaboration together. I am a French Canadian, and that is the Franco-Ontario flag underneath the Canadian flag. And I wanted to make something from her part of the world, and she wanted to make a recipe from my part of the world. So I'm making these. These are called loose meat sandwiches, and they are from the Midwest. And what it is, if you may have actually seen these before, is you may have seen them on the Roseanne show. When the Roseanne show was on, she was working or owned a restaurant called the Lanford Lunchbox, and their specialty were loose meat sandwiches. You probably saw them there. So I wanted to give these a try, and Kathy is making French Canadian yellow split pea soup. So please go check out her video. There'll be a link in the description box below and at the end of the video. And here we go.
Let's see what's cooking. Let's get the facts. Let's see what's cooking. It's time for Yo-Yo Max 12.
Hello everyone, starting off with your pressure cooker. On the saute function, add about a half a tablespoon of oil to the bottom. Let it get nice and hot, and then add in 1.5 pounds of ground beef. And you're going to stir this around until the ground beef is cooked through, no longer pink, and you get some browned bits on the bottom. Once you get to that point, you can add some spices. The recipe I found says to use 1 envelope of onion soup mix, a tablespoon of onion powder, half a teaspoon of ground pepper, and then other recipes wanted you to add apple cider vinegar. So I added about 1.5 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar to this. Stir that around, and then just before putting the lid on, I placed 1 cup of chicken stock, put the lid on the pressure cooker after I gave it a stir. You want to make sure you stir it a lot so that the ground beef pieces are broken apart. And then you put it on high pressure. In this case, for my machine, it's the meat function. I decreased the time to 10 minutes and then hit start. And once it's done, take a slotted spoon and you're going to serve it on plain old hamburger buns. These have been lightly toasted. A scoop or two on each one, and yes, it will be messy, and that's the whole point of loose meat sandwiches. They are a little bit messy. And then these are traditionally served with mustard and with some dill pickles. Apparently, you're not supposed to use ketchup on these. It's frowned upon, but you can put American cheese slices on it if you'd like. And then you throw the other bun top on it, and you have yourself a loose meat sandwich. And there it is in all its loose meat glory. And please don't forget to check out Kathy's recipe, her split pea soup, and she's also using her pressure cooker to make her recipe. Thanks for watching.